XRP underperforms market as sudden Bitcoin surge forces $387 million of liquidations. XRP's technical outlook remains uncertain, with support at $2.05 and resistance at $2.17. As traders watch for volume expansion, XRP posts respectable gains but continues to trail the wider digital asset surge, with below-average volume raising questions about the strength behind the move as Bitcoin rocketed above $94,000 and broad market liquidations reshuffle positioning. Bitcoin's sudden push above $94,000 triggered a broad rebound across major crypto assets, with nearly every large-cap token registering immediate upside volatility. The move violently unwound bearish positions across derivatives markets. 107,333 traders were liquidated in 24 hours, totaling $387.5 million in forced exits, including a single $23.98 million BTC long liquidation on HTX. Despite the high-energy macro backdrop, XRP's reaction was muted relative to peers. The token underperformed the CD5 index by 1.55%, implying sector rotation away from XRP during the risk-on swing. Institutional flows did not meaningfully accelerate either, as 24-hour volume landed 5.88% below its 7-day average despite positive price action. This divergence, strong macro rally, weak relative performance, sets the stage for a more nuanced technical outlook in the sessions ahead. XRP maintains a constructive intraday structure with higher highs and higher lows, but the underlying momentum remains inconsistent when compared to other majors. Support continues to form at $2.05, where multiple intraday tests held convincingly. The rally toward $2.17 established a fresh local resistance level, and while the structure remains bullish, the absence of sustained volume expansion limits confirmation. Momentum indicators on lower timeframes show softening follow-through after the breakout attempt. The surge at 1500 hours produced strong volume rejection at resistance, followed by a gradual pullback into the $2.15 to $2.16 range. This behavior reflects profit-taking rather than trend reversal, but it also confirms that bulls lack full control until participation broadens. With Bitcoin dragging majors upward, XRP's relative underperformance becomes a technical signal in itself, often a precursor to either delayed upside catch-up or deeper consolidation if macro momentum fades. XRP rose from $2.08 to $2.15, delivering a 4.71% gain within a 9 cents, 4.3%, trading range. The breakout toward $2.17 came on a sharp volume burst of 128.7M tokens, 147% above the rolling 24-hour average, but post-rally participation dropped swiftly, confirming near-term hesitancy among larger traders. Underperformance relative to the broader market reflects capital rotation into higher beta assets during Bitcoin-led surges, leaving XRP grinding higher but without the explosive tempo displayed by peers. XRP is caught between constructive local structure and weak relative strength. The recovery stays intact as long as $2.05 holds, but bulls must reclaim and close above $2.17 with expanding volume to confirm momentum alignment with broader market flows. If Bitcoin sustains levels above $94,000, XRP historically lags before accelerating in delayed catch-up moves, making the next 24 to 48 hours critical for confirmation. Watch for acceleration in volume on any break above $2.17, a failure to expand participation, which could trap price in a $2.05 to $2.17 consolidation band. Broader market liquidation trends, which may redistribute capital back into lagging majors like XRP if $2.05 fails. The next meaningful support sits at $1.98 to $2, where ETF-driven demand has recently provided a stabilizing bid.